Every successful surgery begins long before the first incision. Proper patient preparation is critical. So in this video, we will cover the essential instruments used in preparing a surgical patient. In the preparation phase, the commonly used instruments include Chittle forceps, sponge holding forceps, towel clips including Monahan towel clips, Ashmarch bandages, tourniquets, especially pneumatic tourniquets. Starting with Chittle forceps, also known as transfer forceps. Chittle forceps are large, heavy metallic instruments with curved blades and serrated tips, which provide a firm grip. Importantly, they do not have a locking mechanism. They are used to pick and transfer sterilized and autoclaved articles such as drapes and instruments from one tray to another without direct hand contact to maintain sterility. They are typically kept immersed in antiseptic solutions such as Sidex or Dettol water to maintain sterility. Their primary role is to prevent contamination during transfer of sterile items. Second, the most important instrument is sponge holding forceps. This is a long instrument with thin shafts, fenestrated blades near the distal end, and serrations on the inner surface. It has a ratchet locking mechanism to firmly hold sponges or swabs. It is used to cleaning and preparing the operative field using antiseptic solutions. Used for mopping blood or oozing to improve visibility during surgery. It is also used for packing cavities, for example, prosthetic cavity after prostatectomy, and holding soft hollow organs such as the gallbladder at Hartmann's pouch during cholecystectomy procedure. It is also used for assisting in blunt dissection at depth, such as perinephric fat dissection. Sponge holding forceps may also be used for procedures such as vaginal canal instrumentation, holding the cervix in pregnant patients, and as a substitute for ovum forceps. It is a traumatic instrument, making it suitable for handling delicate tissues. Towel clips. Towel clips are light but strong instruments, approximately 4 to 5 inches in length. They have small curved blades with sharply pointed tips and a ratchet locking mechanism. Their primary use is to secure surgical drapes in position, ensuring that only the operative field is exposed while the surrounding area remains covered with sterile drapes. They are used for fixing suction tubing to drapes to prevent displacement, for holding and retracting structures such as cord during hernia repair, occasionally used as a substitute for umbilical cord holding forceps or tongue holding forceps, though traumatic. They can be used in rib elevation during chest injuries. Due to their sharp tips, they pierce tissues and therefore considered traumatic instruments. Monahan towel clips. They are similar to standard towel clips but provide a stronger and more secure grip due to their design. They are particularly useful for securing heavier drapes or when a firm fixation is required during surgery. Compared to simple towel clips, Monahan clips offer superior grip strength, an important distinction in examination. Ashmarch bandages. The Ashmarch bandages is a flat, elastic rubber bandage used in limb surgeries. It is used to exsanguinate a limb before surgery, creating a bloodless operative field which improves visibility and surgical precision. The limb is first elevated for several minutes, minimally 5 minutes, to allow venous drainage. A cotton padding is applied and the bandage is wrapped in a spiral manner from distal to proximal, with each turn overlapping two-thirds of the previous one. After exsanguination, a tourniquet is applied proximally and the bandage is removed before surgical preparation. This technique significantly reduces intraoperative bleeding and facilitates a clear surgical field. Simple tourniquet. A simple tourniquet is made of linen or synthetic material and typically uses a Velcro or tie mechanism. It is used to make superficial veins prominent for intravenous access or blood sampling. It is used in intravenous regional anesthesia, Beer's block. A pneumatic tourniquet consists of inflatable cuff similar to a sphygmomanometer blood pressure cuff connected to a pressure regulating device. It is used to provide a bloodless field during limb surgeries and is used in intravenous regional anesthesia. Additionally, in diagnostic purpose, Hesh test for capillary fragility. In therapeutic use, reduces venous return in acute pulmonary edema. In emergency cases, in snake bites, to slow the spread of venom by limiting lymphatic flow. In snake bite cases, the tourniquet should not occlude arterial flow. It should be applied a few centimeters above the bite and tightened just enough to allow minimal finger passage, approximately 1 finger, but with difficulty. Prolonged use of tourniquet can lead to nerve injury and ischemia complication, so strict time monitoring is essential. So, Chittle forceps used to transfer sterile items. Sponge holding forceps used for cleaning, mopping and tissue handling. Oval clips used for securing drapes and auxiliary uses. Moynihan clips, stronger drape fixation. Ash march bandages used in limbs exsanguination. Tourniquet used to create bloodless field and multiple clinical applications.
Visit our playlist Surgical Instruments, explain Hamza's Medscope.